So good afternoon to all. Good afternoon, Kunti. Good afternoon, Brajeshwari. Many of you are regularly attending these spoken English classes. And today we will be revising whatever we have learned in the last 11 classes. Today is the 12th class. So today we will be doing some revision work. आज हम रिविजन करेंगे, है ना? हमने अभी तक क्या सीखा है उसका हम रिविजन करेंगे. So before I come to start with the revision work, I'll tell you a small story about two farmers and their axes. है ना? ये कहानी है दो किसानों का. रवि और मोहन करके दो किसान थे और उनके जो एक्स है, जो पेड़ काटने के जो औजार होते हैं जिसको एक्स बोलते हैं, एक्सेस के बारे में ये स्टोरी है. So once there were two farmers, Ravi and Mohan. Both of them worked very hard and they were cutting trees to prepare their land. Ravi worked from morning till evening without taking any breaks, without taking any rest. He was completely focusing on working and he was working very hard. He believed that working longer time and continuously will give him better results. Mohan also worked very hard, but he used to take little gap in between and he used to take short breaks in between. During this break, when Mohan was taking, Ravi used to laugh at him and Ravi used to tell him that you are wasting such a lot of time by taking rest and taking this gap. But at the end of the day, everyone was surprised that Mohan had cut more trees than Ravi. So Ravi asked Mohan that you were taking breaks also in between and you were taking rest also in between. So how you were able to cut more trees than I did? So Mohan replied that I was not only resting during the gap time, I was sharpening my axe. And a sharp axe makes work easier and faster. In the same way, today we will be sharpening what we have learned during the last 11 days. Whatever we have learned, we will be sharpening. Let me give you few tips. See, every new word you learn sharpens your vocabulary. Every conversation sharpens your speaking skills. Every mistake teaches you something new. Every day of practice makes you more confident. And you may be feeling that today is the 12th day of our class, spoken English class, and you may be feeling confident that we have practiced more than 100 sentences, more than 100. And many of those sentences you are able to speak and you have built up your confidence in speaking and you have left your hesitation. Your response shows that you are building your confidence and leaving back your hesitation. So don't just work hard, always work smart. Sharpen your English every day by listening, by reading, by speaking, and by practicing. Let me tell you that success is not about speaking perfect English on the first day. Success comes from sharpening your skills every day. Keep learning, keep practicing, and one day you will be able to speak English with confidence and without any hesitation. So, we will come to the practice session, that is the activity. We will be having activity as I had shared with you yesterday that आज हम activities करेंगे और हम practice करेंगे जो हमने अभी last 11 days में जो हमने सीखा है उसका practice करेंगे. तो आप लोगों को आज full active रहना है और चैट बॉक्स में आपको चैट करते रहना है और बोलना भी है. आप जब आप लिखेंगे तब आपको स्पीक करना, आपको बोलना है और इतनी जोर से बोलना है ताकि आपको सुनाई दे. Once again, welcome you all and a warm good afternoon to all of you. Yes, I have given here 15 sentences that's written in Hindi. You have to translate it in English. Translate in English. ये कुछ sentences मैंने लिखे हैं, ये हिंदी में है, ये आपको इंग्लिश में ट्रांसलेट करना है. ये सब हमने सीखे हुए सेंटेंसेस हैं, तो हमें ये ट्रांसलेट करना है. आई एम हैप्पी, वेरी गुड. और बोलना है आपको, बोलना भी है आपको. आप इसमें 15 इस स्लाइड में 15 सेंटेंसेस दिए हैं. मैक्सिमम जितना आप कर सके, एटलीस्ट 10 तो आप, और मुझे उम्मीद है कि आप शायद पूरा 15 ही कर लेंगे. गुड, वेरी गुड. कम हियर, go there, stand up, sit down. All are responding. आपको बोलना भी है. You have to speak. Speak. जोर से बोलना है आपको. आपको सुनाई देना चाहिए. आपकी आवाज आपको सुनाई देना चाहिए. You have to speak loudly. Read loudly. Go there, sit down. Yes, Naveen, I am happy. हमें स्पेलिंग पे ध्यान नहीं देना है, ज्यादा ग्रामर में भी हमें ध्यान नहीं देना है. बोलते बोलते हमारी स्पेलिंग्स भी, ग्रामर हमारा अपने आप ठीक हो जाएगा. और हम राइटिंग पार्ट पे फोकस नहीं कर रहे हैं. वी आर फोकसिंग ऑन द reading part, that on the speaking part as well as the reading part and listening part. We are not focusing mainly on the writing part. So we have to speak while we are writing. Because you are using chat box, आप chat box use कर रहे हैं और आप इसमें हिंदी के सेंटेंसेस को इंग्लिश में ट्रांसलेट कर रहे हैं, तो प्लीज आप लोग जोर से बोलिए. यस, लुक हियर, राइट इट, लुक देयर, एक्सक्यूज मी. गुड इवनिंग, गुड आफ्टरनून, गुड मॉर्निंग. सॉरी, यस प्रीति, सॉरी, लुक डियर, वेरी गुड. कुछ वर्ड्स आप नए भी अपने ऐड कर सकते हैं. दैट्स looks good, look there, good night. Walk slowly, धीरे चलिए. Yes, good. You have to speak. Speaking is the problem, so you have to speak. Because this is a spoken English classes, you all have to speak. Now, I've written this in English also. So listen and repeat. I'll read it only once for you. You have to just listen it. I am happy. Come here. Go there. Sit down. Stand up. Speak softly. Read loudly. Write this. Look here. Look there. Thank you. Excuse me. Sorry. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Yes. Now we'll come to the next slide for today's class. Again, it's a translation of 15 sentences that you have already learned in our previous classes. So please translate these sentences. तो आप फिर से देखेंगे, एक स्लाइड है जिसमें 15 सेंटेंसेस दिए हैं जो हम पहले पढ़ चुके हैं. इनको आपको बोल के इंग्लिश में लिखना है. You have to write it in English. इसे लो, take it, ऊपर जाओ, चुप रहो, go upstairs, very good. You have to be active. You are writing very fast. You also have to speak. आपको बोलना भी है और लिखना भी है. come here, look there. Good Brajeshwari, good Kapil, good Preeti, go back. जितना मैक्सिमम सेंटेंसेस आप ट्रांसलेट कर सकते हैं, ट्राई टू डू इट. इट इज फॉर योर प्रैक्टिस, इट इज फॉर योर लर्निंग. ये आपको सिखाने के लिए है, तो इसलिए आप जितना ज्यादा प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, क्योंकि आप मेरे साथ ही प्रैक्टिस करेंगे हाफ एन आवर जो आप अपना कीमती टाइम दे रहे हैं, तो यूटिलाइज इट, यूटिलाइज योर टाइम इन ए पॉजिटिव वे. स्पीक अप. लुक एट मी. डू नॉट late. Don't be late, maybe. Listen to me. अपना काम करो. मुझे पानी दो. यह मेरा बैग है. Give me water. Look at me. Don't shout. Hurry up. यह मेरा बैग है. May I come in? It is hot. यह गर्म है. Maximum sentences. All of you should speak and write. बोलना है और लिखना है. इतनी जोर से बोलना है कि आपको सुनाई दे आपकी आवाज. Go upstairs. This is my bag. Yes, Brajeshwari. I think maximum participants, maximum learners have done all the words, all the sentences. Yes, I have written the translation in English. I'll read it for you. So listen and repeat after me. Take this, go upstairs, keep quiet, go back, hurry up, please give it to me, listen to me, look at me, don't be late, may I come in, don't shout, it is hot, do your work, give me water, this is my bag. I hope you are able to read these sentences loudly. आप ये sentences जोर से रीड कर पा रहे होंगे और इसमें से काफी वर्ड्स आपके माइंड में सेट हो चुका होगा और इसके हिंदी मीनिंग्स डेफिनेटली आपको पता ही होगा. यू मे बी नोइंग द हिंदी मीनिंग्स ऑफ दीज words and these sentences. Yes. Welcome to the next slide of today. You have to write. This is a work that this is a activity that you have to do. You have to write 5 daily use words. आपको daily use के 5 words लिखने हैं. You have to write 5 daily use words. तो डेली यूज के जो वर्ड्स होते हैं ये आपको लिखना है. ओके, आई एम कुकिंग. थैंक यू. ब्रश योर टीथ. वर्ड्स लिखने हैं हमें. 5 वर्ड्स लिखने हैं डेली यूज के. ओ माय गॉड. ओके, सॉरी, कम हियर. गुड. You all may be feeling that you are able to speak these sentences. Yes or no, you can give me answer whether you are able to speak these sentences. Wake up, sorry, go, look at me. Words, आपको single words लिखने हैं. Daily use के single words. Now I have written 15 words of daily use. मैंने कुछ वर्ड्स लिखे हैं इस स्लाइड में, 15 वर्ड्स लिखे। अब इन वर्ड्स को आपको सेंटेंस फॉर्म करना है। यू हैव टू मेक सेंटेंस ऑफ दीज वर्ड्स। आपको सेंटेंस बनाने हैं। दीज, ये जो वर्ड्स दिए हैं इनके सेंटेंस बनाने हैं आप, इन योर ओन वर्ड्स, बोल के। वर्ड्स आर मॉर्निंग, कोई भी 5 वर्ड्स के आप बना सकते हैं, या आप उससे ज्यादा भी आप ट्राई कर सकते हैं। यू कैन ट्राई मोर देन दैट। जैसे मॉर्निंग है तो सिंपल गुड मॉर्निंग, फैमिली, किचन, वाटर, मार्केट, ऑफिस, ब्रेकफास्ट, वॉक, स्लीप, फ्रेंड, टीचर, बुक, dinner, read, phone. My family is very happy. This is my family, yes, Pooja. Good day, my small family. Okay, Aditya, my small family. Preeti, nice. What? This is my family, yes, Manu. Good. I am drinking water. These sentences, yes, Kunti, give me water. Very good. I am cooking breakfast. I need to sleep. Yes, Kapil, I need to sleep. I am going to kitchen. यू हैव टू स्पीक, बोलना भी है आपको, बोल बोल के लिखना है आपको। जोर से बोलिएगा ताकि आपको सुनाई दे। जोर से बोलिएगा प्लीज। यू हैव टू स्पीक, ऑल ऑफ यू हैव टू स्पीक। सबको बोलना है, ऑल ऑफ यू हैव टू स्पीक। These are the sentences that I had made of the words that were given. Okay, I'll just read it for you. Very good, you have made your own sentences, but still I'll read it for you so that you can listen and repeat it if needed. Yeah. I wake up early in the morning. I love my family. My mother is in the kitchen. I drink water every day. We go to the market on Sunday. My father works in an office. I eat breakfast at 8 a.m. I walk in the park every evening. I sleep at 10 p.m. My friend helps me. My teacher teaches English. This is my English book. We have dinner together. I read a book every day. I use my phone to call my friend. Yes, so you can read these sentences. You can read these sentences. You can also note down the new words if you're finding any in these sentences that is given on this slide. It is nice to see that you are practicing, you are listening, you are reading, and you are practicing. Please don't focus on perfection. हमें परफेक्शन में ध्यान नहीं देना है, हमें सिर्फ बोलने पे ध्यान देना है। जितना ज्यादा हम बोलेंगे, सिर्फ ये हाफ एन आवर नहीं, और भी जितने हम कोशिश कीजिएगा जितना टाइम आप हिंदी में इंग्लिश में बोल पाए दिन भर में, दैट विल बी वेरी गुड, इट विल बी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू It will improve your English and it will help you to build up your confidence level. जो भी words आपको आते हैं, and we have to start thinking in English. हिंदी में सोच के फिर इंग्लिश में ट्रांसलेट नहीं करना है, हमें थिंकिंग इंग्लिश में ही करना है. When we start thinking in English, then the words will come to our mind in English and we will be able to speak in correct English. Today I have already said that this is a revision class and it is nice to see कि आप सब बहुत अच्छे से मतलब लिख रहे हैं. I just want to ask you a question that just tell me whether you have started speaking or not. आप में से जितने लोग आज प्रेजेंट हैं यहाँ पे, क्या यस और नो, आप लोग बस इतना बताइए कि क्या आप लोग इंग्लिश बोलना शुरू कर दिया है कि नहीं आप लोगों ने. यस और नो, यू हैव टू गिव मी द आंसर इन यस और नो. Yes, I'll come to the next. I think there is some network problem maybe because I'm not getting the response. So just whenever I hope that you got my question, whether you have started speaking or not. If it is a yes, you can just write yes, you have started speaking. All of you must have started speaking because you are spending your precious half an hour with me. So definitely you must have started speaking. Now it is the story time. Today's story is about helping grandma. I'll read this story for you and then we will go for the question round. Yeah. Helping grandma. Rohan saw his grandmother carry heavy bags. He quickly helped her carry them home. His grandmother smiled and blushed. I'll repeat it again. Rohan saw his grandmother carrying heavy bags. He quickly helped her carry them home. His grandmother smiled and blessed him. So the question for today is, whom did Rohan help? Okay. Grandma, very good. Do you help your grandparents? Yes, you help your grandparents. I had asked you a question. Yes, very good. Grandmother. Good. Good, Preeti. Good. Do you help your grandparents? Yes. Okay. So, today is the last day of the third week. Now, the next class will be on 27th, that is Monday. Monday, we will have our next class at the same platform, that is YouTube, at 12 noon. We will be having Monday, the same class. Kindly subscribe the channel and share it with others also, especially with students, those who are in a government school or those who are in Hindi medium schools. Try to share it with them so that it will be helpful for them to learn spoken English and it will help them in their future to build up their career or to get more opportunities. These classes will help them. So Monday we will meet again. Wishing you all a very happy day ahead and thank you for joining. Before ending up, I'll come to the quote of today that is very important. Yes. Success begins with the courage to say your first sentence, and you all have already started saying your first sentence. You have already started saying your first sentence. So, That's great that you all have started speaking. Thank you so much for joining and be safe. Take care. Thank you so much. We'll meet again Monday.